Yun o, Bolinao Lighthouse. At punta na ako dyan dati eh.
The Cape Bolinao Lighthouse is a historic lighthouse in Bolinao, Pangasinan. It was built in 1905 by a trio of American, British and Filipino engineers. Situated at an elevation of 107 meters above sea level, it is the second highest lighthouse in the Philippines next to the Cape Bayetter Lighthouse.
Yung lighthouse. Pero yung pupuntahan natin resort dito. Right turn daw tayo dyan, sabi ni Manong Google Maps. Saka pa pupunta? Dito ko dumaan nun eh. Ay, makasama namin, wala.